This country is so new, and I don't think people realize how new we are. Like, we're still trying to navigate our way, like, past British colonialism, and it's hard.
What do they say, like, the winners write the history, the losers write the songs kind of thing?
You know, late 20th century capitalist culture is like, it's spreading all over the world, and it's eradicating like native languages, and it's eradicating everything, you know. And I started to look at it from that point of view, and I was thinking, no, we need to learn Irish as an act of resistance.
When you're from where we're from, religion is just, you're entrenched in it. You grow up, and the curbs are either red, white, blue, or green, white, and orange.
It's silly to have these 6 counties belong to the British government over the sea making our decisions. It makes sense for us all to be one island. There's some things need ironed out, yes, but we'll figure that out.
But to us folk, it's offensive. It's supposed to frighten people.
It's meant. The songs were always meant to scare priests and politicians. They weren't meant to sell citrons, you know.